everyone, I'm CB, I'm a Scotistani and I am living in Aberdeen at the moment. Today, I have asked my friend who's visiting me from Glasgow to cook biryani for me. She makes amazing biryani, though I really like it. So she's in trouble because of her good cooking skills. She's gonna have to teach me how to cook biryani. She's gonna show me all the steps, and I was thinking, well, I'm not that great at cook and I'd certainly struggle with cooking biryani. This recipe is for my Scotistani friends, but it is for my Scottish friends too, who love desifood, who love biryani. So hopefully this is going to give you good step-by-step instructions on how to make amazing biryani at home without much work. To make the most amazing biryani, you need chicken on the bone. You need basmati rice, so not just any kind of rice, definitely basmati rice. You need a few onions as well, some tomatoes, garlic, ginger, about a cup of yogurt. We are going to use the Shan Biryani Masala box, which is the Bombay biryani we'll be cooking today. So all the ingredients are at the back of there as well. And then we will be needing some potatoes, which we call tatties in Aberdeen. And we will be needing some kevra, which is a flower extract. It's quite strong, but it's absolutely amazing. And we'll be needing some food colouring as well. Whoa.
Biryani masala.
Yum yum.
Perfect. Ginger and garlic paste. Yogurt.
You have put potatoes in just now, tatties. So can you tell me how much time is left now? Because I am so hungry. I'm absolutely starving. And you know what? It smells so nice in here.
It's going to take about a couple of hours before the food's on table, because I don't have a magic wand that I just wave and you have chicken biryani on your dining table. So just be patient. इसको आपने मिक्स करना है.
Okay. So I'm mixing it up. Wow.
CB, your biryani is ready. How does it look?
Oh, this looks amazing. So tasty. I can't wait to start eating it. Oh my god, it's mouth-watering smell. And what are we going to have this biryani with?
So we're going to have it with raita, which is yogurt and tomatoes, cucumber, carrots.
Wow.
And what else is in there? Remind me, CB.
I think some radish as well.
And capsicum. Yeah.
Anila, did you know that biryani, although it's enjoyed by South Asian people, it was originally taken into South Asia by Mughals? So it's actually a Persian dish. So it comes from a Persian word that means rice. And there are lots of stories around biryani as well from Mughal era.
Okay, so can we just now pretend that we have transported ourselves into the Mughal era?
Yes, as long as I get to eat it, I'm happy.
Okay then. I'll let you go first because you're starving.
I cannot wait to try it. I think I'll be finishing all off myself. I think you're not going to get any of this. So now we're mixing Persian food cooked in South Asia with Scottish shrimp. That's how we become Scotistani. If you like this video, please subscribe to Scotistani YouTube channel and comment, like and share the content.